In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use your e-course books to study comfortably on your phone or tablet. All the e-course books you own can be found in the e-course books section of your account. Each e-course book tile contains useful information: the duration of your access, your progress in the course, the version of your e-course book. Using these icons, you can switch between tile view and list view. Now, let's open an e-course book. The e-course book is grouped into double-page spreads, just like a printed book. On mobile devices in the portrait mode, you will see one page at a time. Swipe to view the adjacent page. Pinch the screen to zoom in or out on any page. To move to the next pair of pages, use the arrows or the page thumbnails at the bottom. Using the table of contents, you can jump directly to a specific lesson. E-course book pages are interactive. Double tap an exercise to open it, or single tap to view its toolbar with additional options. If an exercise contains a recording, you can read its transcript here. Each exercise can be printed if needed. Press this icon whenever you need to access a virtual keyboard with special characters. If an element gets cut off in the exercise window, simply swipe to view it. Some exercises will include a supporting text icon. This may contain additional context or helpful information required to complete the exercise. To fill in the blanks in this exercise, grab the answer by the drag handle and drag it to the correct space. To scroll through the answers, swipe near the right edge of the answer box. When you complete an exercise, click here to check your answers. Remove only incorrect entries. Display correct answers. Clear all answers. At the bottom of the screen, you will find a toolbar. It allows you to go to the previous or next page. Add text. Draw on the page. When using the drawing tool, tap it again to open additional options such as a pencil, arrow, highlighter or eraser. After using the drawing tool, switch back to the move tool to avoid drawing accidentally. Clear all changes from the slide, including drawings and text. By tapping the three dots in the top right corner, you will find a few additional options. You can switch between two layout settings. In Book View, you will see the textbook pages with interactive areas. In List View, all exercises from the current lesson are displayed in a clear list, so you can open them one by one. Browse additional materials to the currently viewed lesson. This may include vocabulary lists, flashcards, supplementary exercises, or other resources. Use the icons at the top to switch between different types of materials. Manage your study progress. You can mark a lesson as completed or reset your progress in a lesson. This will also clear your answers in its exercises. Change the language of the instructions. In the new edition of Polski krok po kroku, each lesson comes with a short test and a set of flashcards. They can be accessed from the Extra Materials tab. The test contains several exercises that review the material covered in the lesson. You can switch between exercises by pressing the arrows or selecting an exercise from the list. The flashcards can be used to practice vocabulary from the current lesson. At the top you will see a word or phrase in Polish. Press Next to reveal the English translation, then choose one of the buttons to indicate whether or not you remembered it. Words marked as not remembered will appear again before the flashcard session ends.